So, how to create an exploded view in Solidworks. So we're going to open this up, open up our assembly drawing. So while this is loading, cool. So once this open up, we're going to go into here. We're going to click on exploded view. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. We're going to be doing the step process, and I'm zooming out because eventually I'm going to be pulling this all the way out. So first, you want to select your parts. So I'm going to select these screws. I'm going to hold Control and select these 4 screws. I'm going to pull them out, and I'm going to give myself a lot of room here because it's a lot of parts in here. So you want to be able to give yourself a lot of space. I know it seems far, but let me zoom in here. That was step 1. Step 2, do the same process. You see how it says the Z right there? We're just going to pull this up. If you need to pull it outwards, you could do that too. But this one, all right, I gave that enough space. That was step 3. Pull this to right there. Step 4, pull that up. Right? If I wanted to pull this out this way or that way, I could definitely do that. And slide it up too. That's all you got to do to get it. That one just a demonstration to show you how to move it forward, backwards. I'm going to hold Control, grab these right here. I know I broke the alignment with pulling that one out the way, but this is just a demonstration. So we pull these up. So you got these, pull this up. I'm going to stop right here after this one so you guys can see. So this is pretty much what you got to do. You have to pretty much go in there and literally click every part or piece that you want to animate or move to where you need it to be and slide it left, right, up, or down to get your exploded view. You click right here. So this is it pretty much in a nutshell. It's not lost or anything. I know some people are like, oh, what happened to my drawing? My drawing's messed up. It's not messed up. I normally just hit explode. It goes back in and hit close. But if you want to see the exploded line sketch, you could click right here and it shows you exactly what happened. You can hit cancel, exit out, discharge, right? And I just normally come back here and just close this out. That's the fastest way I do it. But that's that in a nutshell. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna take this right into a assembly drawing. So now I'm gonna pick a D size. So as we come here, I'm gonna do model view, and I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna do next, and I'm gonna do. Oh, I'm just gonna do a isometric view. Put my isometric view right here. That's that one. And I want to change this to this one so you guys can see it. So this is my isometric view. So now say, hey, Mr. P, how would you change to the exploded view? I will go back right here to model view, next, and you see where it says show an exploded or model break section. You want to check that. And we're going to do same isometric, and we want to do all and come across right here. It's a little too large, so we're going to scale this down right here. We're going to go custom scale. We're going to go here. We're going to do 1/4. Yep, that should fit on the paper. Bang, right there. Right, and you see how it laid it out. I'm just going to change this so you guys can see it, and that's pretty much how you do an exploded view. So you see, you just got to know what to select once you do an exploded view and place it on the paper. But that's it. Just remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you.